What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. As you can see over here in the oscillator, you see that we're actually going on a little bit of an overbought little rally here with Dogecoin. We just now broke out of this Fibonacci retracement, this resistance of 24.50. Now we're heading straight up towards 25 cents. But yeah, hit that like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a PayPal donation through the donation link in the description or the Cash App donation link, either one. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. Now, let's go over Dogecoin here today. Right here in these green areas, I say this all the time. When you see it inside these green areas, it's about to go up because these green areas is our supply and demand area. It's pretty much showing us that we have lots of demand for Dogecoin. So look, the second we got hit this area, we had a chance for reversal coming off of this downtrend. And I always say these little red areas over here, it shows our supply, other supply and demand, showing that there's less demand in Dogecoin. So when you hit that, we go on to a little bearish movement. So we went on a little bearish movement on Dogecoin. But see, this one's very, very dim. It's not a really bright red. It's really dim. Like you can barely see it. So it shows that there it still is some demand for Dogecoin around here, just not as much as they could be. So as you can see here, the second we hit the red area, we started to go on this downtrend here with Dogecoin. Second we hit the green area here for our supply and demand, shows that we started to go on an uptrend. You can see here in the oscillator, we started to just go a little bit bullish here. It didn't immediately take off. We waited till about here. And then right here on the oscillator, you see that it's a little bit oversold right here. And as you see, these red areas forming around this green candlestick, this shows that we're probably about to go on a little bit of a downtrend, but a temporary downtrend before we try to, continue and rise here, because we have been overbought a little bit. But anyways, in the last 24 hours, the bulls are in control by 60% of the market control. So yeah, the last 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%. So that's actually pretty good right there. Pretty big news for Dogecoin. And it's pretty good that Dogecoin just now actually broke out of the 24 cents area. We were around there for too long. And now look at us now. We are now breaking towards 25 cents and trying to rally upwards. But yeah, let's go over what we have in Dogecoin here with our technical analysis and other things here. So 3 critical reasons why Dogecoin price will easily quadruple. So Dogecoin price is creating a massive fractal that hints at a 361% breakout move incoming. That's a lot. Other people are saying 1,000%. But anyways, Doge has already breached a crucial resistance level, suggesting the start of a bull rally. Crucial resistance level, definitely 25 cents was very crucial for us, and we broke it. Now, a breakdown of the 16-cent support floor will put the altcoin in jeopardy and on a path of invalidating the bullish thesis. And do you really think we're going to go down to 16 cents right now? I don't believe so. So I definitely believe we're going to continue to stay bullish here. So Dogecoin price screams bullish everywhere you look at it. So Dogecoin price shows 3 possible outcomes, all of which are bullish. The first sees Doge slicing through the support area ranging from 21 cents to 23 cents. This moves, albeit bearish in the short term, would lead to a retest of 19.5, where Dogecoin price can form a double bottom and kickstart a new uptrend to 30 cents or eventually 35 cents. So I definitely believe there's a potential here. They're saying it would be a lot easier if Doge just hit this 19 cents area or possibly the 23 cent support line. And so then we could build that momentum to, go back up here. But I definitely believe we can go back up to 30 cents to 35 cents before that. Over here, this is what they're talking about here. So as you can see here, we have our resistance here with 35 cents. We have our other resistance at 32. And then right here is what we're passing right now, 25.41, which is a little bit minor resistance. Well, I would say major, but it's definitely something that we have to pass here with Dogecoin. So I definitely believe we could pass it. But they're like, look, if we get rejected at 25.41, do not be scared if we go down to 19 cents, because we're projected to do that. They say that this support is very crucial because once it bottoms out one more time at 19 cents, they're saying, we will have that momentum to go all the way up here. So that's actually a pretty good technical analysis here. Shout out to FX Street for that. Now they say the second outcome is for Dogecoin price to shatter the 19.5 cent support area, eventually leading it 35% down to 16 cents. While this might appear bearish, it would create a triple top setup. So they're saying, yeah, it might seem a little bearish, but look, it's going to be a triple top setup, so aka bottom reversal pattern. This pattern would allow retail investors to purchase Doge at a discount price. This is what I love saying. I love seeing people buy the dip. This is literally what it's about here. And when people buy the dip, that's what really builds that momentum up to lead us to our resistance levels. Like they're saying it right here. They're saying if this happens, it's going to allow retail investors to buy Doge at a discount and then pushing Doge to retest the intermediate resistance levels at 42 cents or near an all-time high around 68 cents. Either way, bottom reversal patterns are often seen in cryptocurrency in space as one of the reasons why Bitcoin price kickstarted its massive rally recovery from $28,000 to back to $63,000. Like if you look at Bitcoin's price now, it needed to go down. Now it's at $66,000. Bitcoin needed to go all the way down to $28,000 because people wouldn't have bought it if it would have stayed at 60K. Now that we're at 60K, we're rallying to 70K and probably eventually to 80K. And then when we hit 80K, it's going to happen again. Like no one's going to want to buy in Bitcoin at 80K. So what's going to happen? They're going to end up selling Bitcoin. It's going to end up crashing probably back down to 40,000. People are going to be like, oh, the sky's falling. Bitcoin's never going to go back up. And then people are going to buy in on Bitcoin, retail investors, and also the institutional investors. They buy back in on Bitcoin, and then it starts to rally up again. It hits 100K. People are like, oh my, we're not going to buy again. We're not going to buy any more Bitcoin. It's at 100K. It can't go up anymore. They're going to sell it. It's going to crash. It's going to go back down to 70K. People are going to be, oh my God, the sky's falling. I'm not going to buy back in on Bitcoin. FOMO, or FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And then what happens? They buy back in, leading Bitcoin to go right back up to where it was, and then a little bit higher. And Bitcoin hits 120K, and the cycle repeats. So that's pretty much how these cryptos work. Over here, you see Dogecoin right now at 3.9% up for the last 24 hours, up 9.1% for the last 7 days. I have big faith inside Dogecoin. I have big faith in Dogecoin. I've been with Dogecoin for a while. I don't have any money inside of Dogecoin right now, but I have big faith in it. I really hope that it goes bullish for all of you out there. I have money in Baby Doge right now, but I'm going to be putting more money back into Dogecoin because, like I said, I'm a broke MF right now. So if you all want to help support me, then you can go ahead and send us on, Cash App or PayPal donation links in the description. But if not, that's cool too. You can just hit the like button and subscribe. And I'm just waiting for that paycheck to come in so that I can, go buy some more cryptos. But anyways, the Doge fractal forecast and eye popping rally. So the third outcome is for Dogecoin price to form a fractal, a formation that often develops after an extended run up. So from early 2021 to early January 2021, you can see right here, Doge formed a rounding bottom pattern, which led to the 1400% breakout that they're talking about. It went from 0057 to 088. And that's actually when I started to get into Dogecoin. When I seen it around 0.06, that's when I got in. And I was in Dogecoin, I won't lie, 0005, like 5 zeros and a 5. I was in Dogecoin back there, 2017 type days, but I didn't have much money in it and I didn't hold it. So I ended up, getting slapped in the face. Anyways, over here, a breakout from the setup triggered another exponential leg up to the 74 cents area, which was 1100%. That's why I'm saying 1000% inside of Dogecoin is not far-fetched. As you can see here, this is the rounding bottom that they're talking about. And then we had the breakout. This is the ascending triangle they're talking about after it. And we had the breakout, the next ascending triangle, the next breakout. And then here, 85 cents, they're pretty much saying is our next target. They're saying we're probably going to quadruple after this. So this is a really big statement here. If you all are not, paying attention to what Dogecoin is doing, you might want to wake up and pay attention because look, Dogecoin is not waiting for no one. Dogecoin waits for no one. Only does good every day and leaves people inside the dust. So anyways, they're projecting that Dogecoin reach $1.08 very soon. So that's what they're forecasting here. So definitely watch out for it. So we got big stuff here with Dogecoin. While the Dogecoin price has broken out of the setup, investors need to wait for a higher above 36 cents to confirm the new start of the uptrend. So they're pretty much saying, look, we got to get above 36 cents. That's like the bottom line here. Anyways, let's go over our other stuff here with Dogecoin. I want to show you some of the whales and the moves that they're making. So we got a lot of whales doing day trades here and losing money. That's why I say it's better to just hold long term. This whale came in today, $104 million, $104.9 million, left with $104.8 million because they didn't have diamond hands. They just wanted to make a little quick buck and they got slapped in the face. So over here, this Dogecoin whale came in $66.1 million and they're holding it. They're holding it since yesterday. Now they're at 64.5 million, but if they keep holding, they won't lose money. You only lose money when you sell while it's down. This Dogecoin whale came in yesterday, 63.3 million. Now they're at 63.9. So that's a good amount of money they made. This Dogecoin whale, 47.5 million. Now they are at $47.6 million. Big stuff going right there with that Dogecoin whale. This Dogecoin whale right here, $25.6 million. And you already know it, $25.6 million. Now they got $25.9 million. So shout out to that Dogecoin whale for that. That's big stuff right there with that Dogecoin whale. And anyways, I'm just gonna briefly go over this because I went over this previously, and a lot of other people have too. This article here, they stated nearly 70% of Dogecoin holders are in profit, and data shows that. So that's actually pretty big news there. It's a pretty big statement as well. Dogecoin remains stuck near 2450 while Bitcoin pulls back. Is not really stuck anymore. As you can see, we're at 2544. We broke out of our resistance that we had. Now we're leading up to our next leg up at 2650. So you can watch out for that soon. So big stuff going on with Dogecoin there. And then over here, you see Dogecoin needs to do this to unlock its full potential. They're pretty much talking about the same area we got to break out of. We got to break out of this 27-cent resistance and eventually out of the 34-cent resistance, leading us to 35 cents and eventually leading us to 44 cents. So that's pretty much the same thing everyone's saying. Everyone's seeing the same thing as I'm seeing. So shout out to everyone else. Now, over here, this is a pretty big statement with Dogecoin. They said if there was a sheep of the month award, we would give it to Justin Screeney. Shout out to him. He went ahead and he messaged people. He was like, look, y'all got to update your Dogecoin nodes. We got to get big here with Dogecoin. So pretty much he said this. He was like, comprehensive list of the Dogecoin mining pools have responded in their current status. So this is their current status and they responded. All they got to do is update to 1.14.4 and we'll be good with the price transactions, with the transaction speeds, transaction prices with Dogecoin. But anyways, shout out to the Doge Army out there for making this possible. We're rallying up here. Like I said, when we hit this red area here, it's going to actually hit a little bit of a decline. So we're going to have a short little temporary downtrend, and then we're probably going to end up breaking out of it after that. But yeah, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you like the video though, hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to support the channel, definitely send a PayPal donation through the donation link in the description or the Cash App donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators so you can become a professional trader like your boy. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not a professional. But anyways, if you want to be good with the trading, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. It's an add-on that you actually add on to TradingView, and you get these automated trading indicators. They have a bunch of stuff on here, and it's definitely needed if you're a trader. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.